The whole of this week, through this practice, the one idea that's been sitting with me is ahimsa, the idea of a greater love, the love that includes everything, myself, the other, and the situation. This is a very tall order, huh? But the way we practiced this choreography this whole week has been so beautiful. From day 1 to day 5, we have been including every limitation of ours, how our bodies are. If I'm not able to do a jump, then I can just take my leg up and put it down. If I'm not able to do a twirl, then what do I do instead of that? So much ahimsa that was there in the way we owned up to this choreography, that ahimsa has just been sitting in my head and my body this whole week. And I really wanted to put it out, especially in the light of also what happened with all the wheel removal. I think in today's world, if there can be one value that this land has to give, and if we can, even if everything else is destroyed, but if we have this one value of ahimsa paramo dharma, this world will be a better place. But then how will we act according to this? That is the challenge, and that is in fact the living of that value, because it is difficult. But that ahimsa does not mean not fighting, by the way. The ahimsa does not mean being a doormat and sacrificing oneself, because it means compassion for oneself as well, right? So that ahimsa means a really active way of including oneself and the other and everybody else. And how do we do that? That's the challenge in front of us.